Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Stable Diffusion and Stable Diffusion XL. In order to do so, we're going to start off here at dreamstudio.ai, and just for the purpose of explanation here, what we can find just by doing a little bit of research is that the foundation of Stable Diffusion was the 1.5 model. Now at this point, they have the 3.5 model, which has become standard. And if you go over to dreamstudio.ai, then you can take advantage of their platform there in order to use Stable Diffusion. Now there's other ways of getting access to Stable Diffusion as well. And if we head over to stability.ai and we take a look at /stable-image, then here you can see that we can download the weights for Stable Diffusion 3.5 and also Stable Diffusion XL. Now, XL is essentially an upgrade of Stable Diffusion, the original 3.5. If you want to download the weights, you can use that here. I'm not going to go through the installation process because it is rather involved. There's other resources out there that you can take a look at. Most likely you're going to have to go to Hugging Face and you can download that there, but you are going to need to do a little bit of research in regards to how to install that. But if you just want to use the standard Stable Diffusion, then you can go over to dreamstudio.ai and you can use their workspace that they have there. Otherwise, if you are feeling more adventurous and you want to install it onto your machine, then you do have the 3.5, the SD 3.0, and the SD XL available at stability.ai, and you can download the weights there. Just make sure that you do your research in terms of how to get that installed, or you could take a look to see what other platforms are offering Stable Diffusion and if you can take advantage of them elsewhere. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there, if you click on that, you will find a variety of promotions and our top AI recommendations like Cider and Sintra and Enzo. Take a look at those. If you click on those links, you'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it. Also, take a look at our upcoming webinar, and if you want to join that, we were going to be going through some amazing information to help you get started with your AI journey. Thanks very much. We'll see you on the next one.